Right now, our Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of plus 0.26 alongside a momentum drop of minus 0.24. This divergence is striking. Normally, a positive sentiment correlates with upward momentum, but today, we're seeing the opposite. This unusual behavior suggests a potential inflection point in the software landscape that you'll want to pay attention to. The API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters that reveal underlying themes in user feedback. For example, you could use this insight to identify areas for improvement in your software based on current user sentiment, allowing you to pivot your development strategy effectively. To dive deeper into this data and explore how you can leverage it, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.